mobile apps. Okay, if everyone, why am I? Can everyone hear me? Hello, hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
Is everyone
Done.
is everyone in the Zoom? Fauzan, is
Yes.
everyone in the Zoom?
Huh?
Is everyone in the Zoom?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Okay. You can hear me, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Can everyone see the screen?
Yes, yes, yes,
Yes.
doctor.
Okay. Okay. I will start now. This
Good
is
morning, Olofunke. It's
uh,
afternoon, 3 p.m.
it's morning in maybe it's morning in Nigeria. Okay. I think I will start now. Okay. Yesterday we have made this 4 screen. I didn't change anything. This is exactly like yesterday. And later on, I can give you the link to this one that we have made, so everyone can have an example that they can work on. You don't have to make it from scratch again. So as you can see, we have 4 screen. From the splash screen, we have a button. We can click this button. It will go to the map screen. Then from the map screen, we can click scan. It will go to the scan screen. And you can click speech, it will go to text to speech screen. And in text to speech, you can click this button and it will read the text for you. And also for QR, we can click the QR button. Then once we scan, it will show you what is available, what is the thing that you scan in the waiting label here. Today, we will look at how we want to use this QR in order to play a video. Once you scan the QR, it will play a video. Or once you can scan the QR, it will go to the special page, a different page that you want. Because some of you are making a quiz, right? You can scan the QR and it will go straight to the page that you want them to go. Okay, that is what we're going to see today. But I think firstly, what we want to see today is the map function. Because yesterday you are just some of the groups are making maps, so I will cover this today. So adding a map is very easy on this app. You can just go to the left side and find a map. What is the map? Okay, location map. You just drag location map, then after that you already have a map on your screen. But you cannot see anything here because this is not on your phone. But on your phone, you will see a big map filling all this area. But the map doesn't know where to go. So we need to give it a location for it to go. So you can see here that on the right side, there is a latitude and longitude. I hope everybody know what latitude and longitude is. It is the coordinate where you are in the world. On the world map, there is latitude and longitude for every location. So we can just put these 2 numbers and it can recognize where you are in that location. For example, I will show you if I go to Google Map now. And I search Johor Bahru. Okay, it puts a point. Let me check where is the point of Johor Bahru. I'm not sure where did it put the point, but if you see up here, you can see the number 1.544103.
Doctor, your screen blur.
Huh? My screen blur. What can you see on my screen?
It's blurry. I don't know. Like I can't read properly.
Everyone else, is it okay or also blur?
Blur. I think it will get clearer, but it is not.
Huh?
I think it will be get clear, but it is not.
Oh, okay. Let me.
Probably the connection.
But it's clear on my screen. Let me unshare and share again. Okay, is it? Can you see now?
Yes, it's clear.
It's clear now. Okay, good. Okay, then let me start again a little bit here. So yesterday we have this map page, but there is nothing on this page. Now I have taken maps on the left side. I have taken map and put it on here. Now you have a map screen. But where is the location of the map? Is actually on this side, on the right side. You can see latitude and longitude. So this is the location that you want to put in where the map will show. Okay, so now for an example, I think I will search Legoland. Legoland Johor Bahru. Okay, that is the location of Legoland, Malaysia. And you can, if you see up here, you can see this is the coordinate. Where is it? Here. Oh. I'll just copy this. So this is actually the coordinate, the latitude and longitude. 1.4266, 103.62. So I will take this and put it in the latitude. Oh, it doesn't copy. Okay, let me try again. 1.4266. 1.4266. And the longitude is 103.627. 103.627. So now we have set the latitude and longitude. You can also set a zoom if you want to zoom in or zoom out. So you can play around with the value later on. But I will set it like this for now. And then actually if you go to the block and go to the map 1, you can see here there's a lot of things you can do on the map. You can add marker, you can add polygon, delete marker, delete polygon, delete line. So these are more advanced stuff, but you can explore this further later on. But I think add marker is something that you might want to use, because add marker is it will add a small mark to show you the point, the latitude and longitude that you are placing here. Let me go. Let me show you what will happen on the screen now. I will.
Udah ya? Enak. Minum.
Okay, let me show you what will happen on the screen with this map function. Are the groups that is using map here? I hope you are here, because we are using this map function so that you can. Let me see the factor is on. Okay. 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 So let me show you what will happen. You can also try it on your phone and see if the map comes up. I'm now logging in. Okay, so this is our apps. So if I click the middle, it will go to the map. Now this is the wrong one. Now it changed to the right location. Is this the right location? Oh, sorry. This is different code. This one is the right one. Okay, I click the button. You can see here that the page will go straight to Legoland Malaysia. So this means actually you can jump to whichever location that you want. You can actually also get the location from the GPS of your phone and put the latitude and longitude in. So this map will follow where you are going when you are on the phone. So I will show that quickly. Is anybody here trying this? Are you okay getting this map?
Doctor, can you please show again how we get the latitude and longitude?
Okay, the latitude and longitude you get from Google Map here. I go to Google Map, I search Legoland Johor Bahru, and on the bar up here, you can see on top here, can you see 1.4266, comma 103.62745. This is the latitude and longitude for Legoland Malaysia. Can you see, Azrin?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. So this is where,
Thank you.
and this is if you want to take a predetermined value. But if you want to use your current value, you can also use the sensor that is on your phone. So if you want to use that, you need to take the location sensor. So let me just show you this very quickly before we go to another one. So here you can see location sensor. Right, location sensor. I will pull this to the map.
Is it bringing people? Oh, you did.
See, you have the location sensor here. I already pull it and put it here. Now, if you see down here, I have location sensor. Now, I can take the value of the location sensor, which is the latitude and longitude, and place it on the map. So it will tell you where you are on the map. Now we have this location sensor. We go back to block. We want now to change the location of the map to a different latitude. So we go find the latitude and longitude. If you can see here, from map 1, set latitude. So I'll take that one. Again, map. From map 1, set longitude. But as you can see, this is not going to run because it's not completed. I have to decide when I want this to run. So I think I will want this to run when the map screen is open. When the map screen is open, I will set the latitude and longitude and it will call the map. Okay, so what is the latitude and longitude that we want? Now, this is the value, the value here before is 1.466 and 103 point something. But this one we get from Google Map. We don't want this. We want to get this value from the current location that we are in. So where do we get that? We can get that from the location sensor. See, this one, get current location. I'll put this in here. And this sensor will get the current location and give you the latitude and the longitude. It will give you both of these. Now you have both of these, right? So when you have both of these, we want to put latitude here and longitude here. But you can see there is an error because this is outside of this loop. So we want this to be inside of this, where the value of latitude and longitude is available. So you can see here what we have done is that we have ensure that we get the value of the latitude and longitude and put it into the map. This is map 1. You remember we named this? We didn't name this, but this is called map 1. So we want to set map 1 to latitude that we get on our current location. And we also want to set the longitude to be at our current location. So what will happen now, if I go through these apps, is these apps will try to find my location. Let me, oh, I have to go back. You can see on the right side. You can also try on your phone. I will give you time to try this and ensure you get this location. Okay, my phone is not working very well. Let me just try again. Okay. Oh. Okay, so I'm now trying the map. You can see it's now moving to a different location, which is where I am located now. Taman Pulai Indah. This is where my house is. So you can, if I go out right now, then it will move the location a little bit, not so much. But now we have the location of ourselves, and we have put that onto the map, so the map will plot where we want it to plot. Okay, I think I will wait here for those who are trying to see if you manage to do this or not. I will keep the screen there so that you can try and follow that screen. Anybody have any question, or if you have successfully made this, can you please raise your hand and or show thumbs up, or if you have any problem, please also write down. Okay, Azrin is okay. Who else is okay? I cannot see the name. I cannot see some of the name. Okay, I think many of you have managed to do this. Anyone wants to ask anything before we move forward? Okta, Andy, did you manage to do it? Akib, Andy, okay. Okay. Okay, I think most of you managed to do it. So now you have you can now use maps on the phone and quite easily actually. So you can manipulate this very easily. Maybe you want to press a button and it will go to certain location. Then you can just make, when some button click, then you set the latitude and longitude to where it wants to go to. So it's just as easy as that. Okay, now we want to move forward to more, so that you can do more complex stuff. So let's go back to our scan function yesterday. Okay, if you see our scan function yesterday, we say that if we click the QR button, it will scan, and after it scan, it will change, it will set the text value of waiting label to the value that is just scanned just now. So this is what happened when we test this yesterday. So I like everyone to open back the QR monkey. We want to use this again. So it will be on text. We will try to museum, sorry, exhibit 1. You can add your logo if you want. I will just use whatever logo this is for today. Okay, so I have this QR now ready, and this QR is actually the content is exhibit 1. So let me try this with you. I will go to the apps. Then I will go to scan. I will click QR so that it will open the scan. Then I will scan this. And you can see here on my phone screen, it says exhibit 1, meaning it already scanned this and it already recognized it as exhibit 1. But this is not so useful for you because you don't want to just show what is there. You actually want to turn on maybe a video, or maybe you want to change to a different page. I think I will show you both of these, so that you can manipulate your apps further using this. Okay, let's go back to here. And as you can see here, what we did when we finished scan is we changed the label text.
Ada orang.
So if we want to, if you,
Dirinya di luar dong. Udah pantesan foto.
I think Yuli, you need to mute yourself.
Iya.
Okay. Salsabila, when you copy the latitude and longitude, you cannot paste on Thunkable. Yeah, that is correct, because there is a, I think, some comma. It doesn't accept that. So you have to type it back. You have to type it back, Salsabila. Olufunke, can you see the screen now? And Segun?
Hi, Dr. Fauzan. I can hear you now.
Okay. Salsabila, also you can try. Oh, you want to enlarge the block? Okay, hold on. Oh, sorry, wrong. Okay, can everyone see easily now? Yikwan, can you see now? Is this clear? Okay, so now as you can see here, when we click the button, it will call the scan and it will give the value to the text. So that is why we see on my phone here, we can see exhibit 1, because the thing that we scanned just now is exhibit 1. But now we want to change this. Let's try playing a video, because some of you want to play a video once you detect the value, right? So let's go to design and we put one video on here. Video. Let me find video. Everyone also please find video. Okay, you can see here video. We will take this and put here. Okay. And the same thing with all the component. You can change the. Let me just close it. Oh, I'll bring this down. Okay. You can see on the right side, there's a lot of settings that you can use. for video. Actually, for all the component, the settings or the properties is on the right side. So now we want to choose the video file. So let me choose one video that I have. For your information, there is a limitation for this video. It can do only MP4 and MOV. Those are the two things it can do. But also another limitation is it can only do below 50 megabyte. Otherwise, it's too big. You need to reduce your video size to 50 megabyte. Okay. This is to play video inside the phone. This is not to go to YouTube. You can also go to YouTube and play the video there. That is also possible, but I will not cover it here. If you are interested to use it for your team, then let me know. I will share it with your team only. But this time, this will play a video right on the phone. So I have chosen this video here, flyride.mp4. I'll open this. You have to wait for a while until the system upload the file, and you can see the name of the file on the video source. So let's wait for a while. Meanwhile, if you have any question, please do ask. Okay, you can see here asset added. Flyride.mp4 is now in the video source here. Okay, so now we can, if you see the button down here, play. If we play this, it will play straight away. When you open the screen, it will play straight away. But we don't want to do this, right? We want to keep it first until it's the right time to play, then it will play. Another important thing is for all this component, you can actually use visible function to hide. You can see when I click this, it's hidden. You cannot see the function. When I click through to visible, now you can see the function, the component again. So this is very useful. For example, when we are not playing the QR, we don't want anything to be here. But once the video is ready to play, we will make it visible and we will make it play. It will do both. Okay, so for now, I will choose false here, and visible also I will choose false. So it will not play anything here. It will just show like the same as yesterday, but actually it's there, it's hidden. Okay, I will wait for everyone to do this first, I think. Let me know if you are done with this, so we can go to the next step.
Dr. Fauzan,
Yes, yes.
can I ask a question?
Yes, yes.
Like the video uploading like just now, we're going to find a video from our file, right?
Yes, correct.
Like just now you say you are not going to teach us to put in the URL code, is it? The URL link?
YouTube, you mean? You want to click and go to YouTube, is that correct?
Yeah, because I see that upload a URL link. So I thought that one can put the YouTube link. Is it like it?
Oh, I haven't tried that. Maybe you can try that.
Oh, okay. But
Maybe you
then,
can try that.
when I put in or I upload video, even I upload video from my
Okay.
computer,
Okay.
but it seems like it doesn't have any response.
No, it will take time, especially if your file is big.
Oh, okay.
Like for mine also, it takes like I think 15 seconds or 30 seconds just now, and only then it comes up. So it will be a bit late.
Okay.
So you
Okay, thank you, doctor.
you just wait, and it has to be less than 50 megabyte. The smaller the better.
Okay, thank you, doctor.
Okay, maybe we can try type URL if it's possible to do this. Maybe it is possible, but I haven't tried it. There is another way though. But for now, it's okay. I'll just use MP4, or you can also use MOV.
So, Fauzan, do you think everyone can follow you? Everyone?
Yeah, I'm still waiting for them to put their hands up.
Yeah.
I'll wait here. So everyone, can you do the thumbs up if you are okay? If not, I can repeat this again. What I want you to do is to put the video, then upload the video here, and then click play false, and visible also false. Okay, Talope is okay. Everyone else? Okta is okay. Nabila is okay. Okta is okay. Yikwan is also okay, right? Just now. Is your video coming up? Rizky done. Shashi done.
My video haven't come out. I think maybe my video is too big already.
Yeah, try to get another video.
Oh, okay.
Smaller video. Okay, I think most of you already done. We'll just wait for a while for Yikwan to finish this. Yeah, he also done, but I don't know the name. Okay, Azrin is done. You can also actually go to the left side here to check if your video is done uploading. You can go here. On the left side, you can see these are the things that you have uploaded to the system. For me, I have Jom Hade, and also I have flywrite.mp4. So I have these two on my phone now. Sorry, on my Tankable now, on this apps that we are making. So you can just go here if you want to see if the file is already uploaded or not. You can also choose a file or drag the file here if you want to upload it. Okay, I think while waiting for Yikwan to move forward, I think I can go. Is it okay, Yikwan? You wait for the...
Yes, I'm done.
Okay, good. Okay, so let's go forward. Now we have the video. We want to play the video when the QR is correct. If the QR is wrong, we don't want to play the video, right? So let's go to the code now. Okay, now you can see here what we did is we put the label. So now what we want is to play the video. So we just click to play the video. From video 1 play to true. Sorry, not yet. We go visible first. Visible. We want to set visible to true. Sorry, this is wrong. This is wrong. Wait. This is wrong. Okay. We need to have an if function because we need to have a logic. When do you want to play this? If you just put this straight away here, after it's scanned, it will automatically play. But we don't want that. We want to check if the QR is correct or not, right? We want to check this value is correct or not. So we want to do if this value is correct, then only we play the video. So we put the video here and we want to play the video. The first one is to set the video to be visible. You remember we hide the video before. Now we want to make it show, make it visible. And the second one here is we want to play the video. We set the play to true, so it will play the video. But what is the condition that we have to set here so that it will play? Now we want to go to the logic. What is the condition that you want it to play? Actually, what you want is when you press the button, when you scan and it detects exhibit 1, then we want to play the video. So we want to have a logic of equal value. Whether your value here, sorry. I should take from the top one, take from the top one. If your value here is equals to exhibit 1, because the exhibit 1 is the QR that we set just now. So if the value is equal to exhibit 1, it will play. If you scan something else, for example, here I change this to exhibit 2. If you scan this now, then it will not work. It will not work. But if you scan exhibit 1, it will play the video. If value is equal to exhibit 1, do play video and make video visible. So now if we scan, okay, let me show you the example. Where is my phone? Okay, let me try here. So now I have this. I go to scan. I go to QR. And now I will scan this code. Okay. So you can see it now says exhibit 2. And nothing is play here, right? Because this is exhibit 2. So let's say this is exhibit 1. Let me create the QR again. And let me scan this again. Oh, I think I haven't restart this. So let me restart this first. All of you can also try. Let me open this back so that you can have a look. Okay, while waiting for me to make this. Anyone have any question? Let me see in the chat. Okay, there's one. Okay, Olufunke is still loading. Okay. Okay, let me try this again. I think because the last one is not the most current version. I will now scan the QR here. So you can see now that the video plays straight away after I scan this QR, right? So this is now working. Now, if you have multiple video, you can set something a bit different. So let me pause this video. So everyone can see, right, the video playing after I scan. So you can also try on your phone. So I will wait for you to try this. If you manage to do the scan and it will play the video on your phone, then you can put your thumbs up. Okay, maybe some of you wants to see the code again. Okay, this is the code. Everyone can see the code, right? Okay, everyone can try first. Okay, did anyone have any problem? Do you manage to do the video, play the video after you scan the QR? Any question? You can ask here?
Doctor.
Yes.
For the one like below the from waiting levels, right? Like if value, when my
Yes.
value is like an error, there's a signals of an error there.
If value, can you show me, can you, is it possible to show in the chat? Can you paste the picture on chat?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Hello, Funke say, what do I do after uploading the video? After you upload the video, you want to change your code to be like this. You want to, first, actually, you want to take, sorry, you don't need to take anything. You already take the video. Then you want to change your code to become like this. So we want to add this part here. You remember yesterday we have this already. Today we just want to add this one. If the value that you get from the scan is equal to exhibit 1, because we want to use this QR code we have created called exhibit 1. If yours is different, then you can change that. And then if the value is exhibit 1, then you want to play the video. If it is not, then we don't want to play the video. For example, just now I use exhibit 2. Huzaifah Adam, your location is wrong. You can see here, then do is actually under from waiting. You did it here. So here it will be wrong because there is no value here. Value is inside this value loop, inside this scan loop. It has to be inside.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Okay, can everyone share if they managed to successfully do this? Okay, we have Uzaifah, success. Everyone else, Okta did ask for me to show how to connect to the website. Okay, we'll try and see if we can connect to YouTube. So let's find a YouTube.
All right, big money, no whammies. Yeah. I know this is weird, but
okay, sorry. Okay, we have this link. Okay, from last time. Okay, I think I will start now, although we only have. Okay, I have that link from YouTube. So I will try and use YouTube to play the video. Let's see if it works. So now we want to change this to type in URL. Okay. We will see if this will work. Let me try. While you can also try with the normal YouTube exhibit 1. So let me just scan this and see if it works. So let me scan. No. Okay, let me open this again because we just edit the app, so we have to reset every time we edit something major. So in the meantime, any of you are having issues? Yikuan, can you play now? Andy, Azrin, can you play the video after scanning, or are you having some issues? Okta,
Doctor, my video seems like it cannot upload.
oh, cannot
Even
upload.
though, even though I already recorded another video for just a few seconds, 5
Okay.
seconds, but it
Okay.
cannot upload.
Okay, maybe. Okay, let's try with the YouTube, see if it works. What about the others? Are you having similar issues? Okta, Andy, Rizky, Azrin, or Shashi? Shashi? Okay, let me see if this, okay, Shashi is okay, eh? Okay, let me see if we scan this. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't seem to work. Huh? For this, it's just empty on my screen. Or is it trying to load? It seems like it's trying to play the video, but it cannot play the video from YouTube. This is from YouTube. I'm trying from YouTube. The one that we tried before was okay, but this one from YouTube is not. It's not playing properly. I'll do some more tests and see how it goes. But for now, you need to use the video. Okay,
Is
and
it because of too big?
maybe because of too big. It's trying to load from the beginning, maybe.
Because it's 1 hour something, our video.
Oh, okay. Let me try with a shorter video. Let me try a shorter video. YouTube. Okay, we have a sound effect here of success. Okay, 6 seconds. So let me change that to the new one. Oh. Okay, so let's try again. So only Shashi managed to make it work. Anyone else that managed to make it work?
No, sir.
Can you
Actually, my video is not playing automatically.
automatically, not playing automatically? Okay. What about others? Oh, Yikuan, okay now.
Yeah, the uploading one I already done, but then the YouTube link I
Okay.
tried to make it.
Okay. So Nabila also done. Who else is trying? Okta, Azrin, Andy? Okay, let me try with the YouTube video and see if it's going to work. Oh, I think it's trying to play as well, but it couldn't. I think we'll try to avoid YouTube for now. There are some issues. This is only a 6-second video and still not playing.
Yeah.
Okay, so but the video part works, right? For the others, I think Shashi, maybe you have something wrong with the setting only. But I think that one can be fixed. What about the others? Okta, did you manage to do it? Okay, good. Okay, I think most have
Oh,
managed
yes.
to do it.
But
Okay.
they cannot like play automatically, but for Andi and Sasi, yeah.
Yeah, for Andi and Sasi, yeah.
And Azrin, okay.
Okay.
Where is Kazrin stay?
Huh?
It's far from Johor?
Yeah, far from Johor.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Andi also not automatically when scan the QR. Okay, we can, I will check this later on. Okay, but for now, we have seen how to play the video. Now we will edit this to go to a different page. I will now create another page because some of you want to make some quiz, right? So I will create a quiz page here. So very quickly, I will make this. I think you don't have to follow me, but just make something similar. Okay, I will type here. What is okay, so maybe that is the question. So this is your quiz page. You can add more question if you want, and then you can have the logic of answering it there. So here the student can answer, but we want to move to this page once the user scan the QR. So we will make the screen name to quiz screen. I'll rename this to quiz screen. Oh, sorry, I renamed the wrong thing. I renamed this to quiz screen. But why is it not? Okay. Okay, this one is wrong. This one is text. Okay. My quiz screen is not changing. Quiz screen. Okay, now it's changing. Okay, quiz screen. I make a new screen. You can make it empty also, no problem. We just want to see the thing move to the screen. Okay, let's see, scan QR. Now we want to go to the block again. Now, as you can see here, it will play the video. So now we want to change. We don't want to play the video anymore. I'll just move this out, but this one still remain the same. All this logic is still the same, right? If value is equal to exhibit 1, then you want to go to that page. Or maybe I will show you something else. We will keep this, but we will add another logic. If, else if, you can add more if you want. Else if, you can add more. Else if. But for now, I'll just use 2. So this next else if, you can copy this. And maybe if this is the exit. Sorry, this is quiz. Okay, quiz 1. Okay. So if the value here is quiz 1, then it will do this one down here. If the value is exhibit 1, it will do these 2 things. So else if value quiz 1, what we want to do, we want to change the screen. So it will navigate to quiz screen. Okay. I think Andi and Sasi, maybe your problem is here. Maybe your problem is here where it doesn't play because it doesn't go into this loop. Maybe Shashi, can you share your screenshot of this thing with me on WhatsApp? Then I will have a look. In the meantime, everyone can try this. This one is to change to a different screen.
I think Sasi can share the screen as well if
Yeah.
can.
Angita, what do you mean you can't scan the QR code? Does the camera open? Okay, I will open this again. Yes, but my QR doesn't show anything. So your camera doesn't show anything? You mean your camera? Okay, I'll show the demo here. Oh, so your camera doesn't show anything. Okay, let me think first. Let me show the demo first here. Scan. Now we want to scan QR. So let's scan exhibit 1 first. I'm scanning exhibit 1. Oh, sorry, we didn't change the YouTube link, so it's trying to play the link. Okay, so now I will scan quiz 1. So I'll create this QR code. I will scan this. So now you see, go straight to the page where we just edit what is the year Museum Kota Tua was built. Okay, so now you can see that it is working, going straight to this page. Just now, Okta did ask something about the image, but I'm not sure what you are asking, Okta. Can you explain a little bit? You said you want teach us how to connect the picture or website. What is that? In the meantime, everyone can try changing the screen. Everyone can try changing the screen and do your thumbs up if you are successfully changing the screen. Do you need to see this? Okay, I'll keep it here for now. So this actually, there's many that you can do. If value is exhibit, then you can go to video, you can go to navigate screen, you can also show a picture. Picture is the same as video. You can go to design, then take an image. You can take the image and bring it here and put the image in. If the value is similar to something, then you can make the image visible. Visible equals to true. So that is same with image as well. Let me change this back to my video so that we can see working with the. Oh, Andy is asking this. Let me go. The else if, you need to click this button here. This one. Then you drag the else if and you can add one more. Or you can add a few more. And if you want to have else, also can. Else is if anything on top here is not true, then it will do the one in else. This is an exception. Oh, you want to, Okta said he wants to add a picture. So, okay, let's add a picture. Picture is just a image. So I'll just put an image here. Image. You can also put, I think, a photo library, also possible. But I'll put an image for now. So the image is here. What image do we want to show? Let's put some image. JPG. Okay, we'll take this image. Open. Okay. So now we have this image here. Oh, but it's not showing. Maybe because it is JPEG. Let me choose a different image. Okay, let's use this image. So you can see now there's an image here. I will hide this image. I will make it visible false. Now I will go to the block again. And now we can add another one, else if. Okay, I'll just copy this. Put it here. Oh. And if this is exhibit 2, then I want to show the image. Image visible to true. Okay. So now if I scan exhibit 2, it will show the image. So actually the logic here is the same for everything that you can find here. You can just use hide and visible, true or false, in order to hide or show the image. Or this, in this case, image. This one is video. If you want to have text, you can have this one from waiting label text. You can have more longer text. Or even if you want to play text to speech, also possible. If you want to play text to speech, you can just put here text to speech. Once it scan the image, it will do text to speech. So this is just the logic, meaning you can do anything with this logic. If this is true, then what is you want to do next? If this one is quiz, what do you want to do next? If this one is exhibit 2, what do you want to do next? So there is actually many things that you can do with this logic. You just change the do part. What does it want to do? Like for example, in this one, we want to make the image visible. So let's try this. Let me open on my phone first. So let's change this to exhibit 2. Exhibit 2. Okay. Okay. Let me open this again. Okay, let's see if we scan exhibit 2, what will happen? QR, it will scan exhibit 2, and you can see now, you can see the image is shown here. And this image, I have set it to this one, but actually in the function here, you can actually only have one image block, but you can change what the image is using this. So if you have many image, you can just change to a different image. Maybe you want this to be DJI Tello, or you want this to be PNG. Then after that, you show. This is also possible because now you can change what image you want to show. For example, if it is exhibit 2, change this to exhibit 2 image. And then you can make another one, else if this is exhibit 3, we can use the same thing here. But now exhibit 3 is a different one, jomhade.png. So I'm using actually the same image, but I just changed the image here. If exhibit 2, it will show this one. If exhibit 3, it will show the other one. So let's go back to here. Let's see exhibit 2 first. Exhibit 2, so let's scan exhibit 2. Now you can see this is the picture, but when they scan exhibit 3, I'll scan again. You can see now it changed to a different picture. So this is the exhibit 3 that I choose just now. So this can be done just by changing the picture here. You see the picture here, you just change this picture, then you can change everything. Okay, I hope everyone is okay with that. Otherwise, you can watch this again. I want to go to the final thing that I want to show you, which is the Bluetooth. Because not everyone have this Bluetooth, I will just show you on my computer. You cannot follow this because you don't have the equipment. Only the Malaysian student now have the equipment. You can follow this if you want. What we want to do now is we want to use this device here. Can you see this device here? Okay. Oh. It's trying to not show this device. Okay, this is the device. So this device is now connected to my USB. This is called the ESP32. This can be used as a Bluetooth beacon. But today we are not using this as a Bluetooth beacon. It will only be a Bluetooth location tracker just by identifying the name of this. We will make this thing advertise its name. So for example, I will advertise the name Exhibit 1. This thing will advertise Exhibit 1. So if you have different location, you need to have multiple of this. For example, if you have 2 exhibit, one is named Exhibit 1, another one name is Exhibit 2. So when your phone go close to this thing, it has in close range, then it will detect this is Exhibit 1. Otherwise, it will go to Exhibit 2. The way I'm showing you today is not the proper way of doing it. The proper way is using iBeacon, but just to show how it works, I think we can use this for today. Okay, let's go to the coding part. Okay, now you have this code, text to speech, scan QR. I think I will do this on the I will do this on the scan QR screen so that we can use whatever that is already here. So now we want to add one more thing because now we are using Bluetooth. Let's add Bluetooth BLE to this. Bluetooth low energy. Just drag this here. Bluetooth low energy. Okay, Bluetooth low energy. We have now a Bluetooth low energy here. Now let's go to the code. Let's see what is available under Bluetooth low energy. I'll just hide this. Let me check the chat if there's any question or there is one. Okay, got. Okay, Okay, let's go to Blue BLE to see what function it has. So you can see it doesn't have so much function. But what we want to use for detecting this is a device with certain name is we want to use scan. I'll bring scan now here. But when do we want to scan this? When do we want to scan this? Is it with a click of a button or with something else? So in my case, I think the best is to use a timer. So every 15 seconds, it will scan for the new device. So for example, you are walking across the museum, maybe every 15 seconds, it will detect, okay, the first exhibit that it detects is exhibit 1. It will play the first video. Then you move again, then this will continue to try and detect, try to scan every 15 seconds. So maybe the next few minutes you are at exhibit 2, then it will detect exhibit 2 and it will play a different video, or it will show a different image, or it will go to a different page. So that is the same on this side. But now for me, I want to put a timer so that this Bluetooth will scan every 15 seconds. Because we need a timer, I have to go back to design and find a timer. A timer. Where is the timer? Oh, here it is, the timer. So as you can see, actually here for the sensor, there are a lot of other sensors you can use. Accelerometer, gyroscope, magnetometer. This is the sensor is available in your phone. So you can use this one as well. But okay, for now, I'll just use the timer. I have the timer now. Oh, sorry, I need to set the timer first. I can set the timer. You can see here, interval on the right is the properties or settings. I want it to be every 15 seconds. I want it to loop. Loop means it will do multiple times. If you don't turn this on, it will only do once, then it will stop. If you do loop, it will do first time, then after 15 seconds, it will do again, and after 15 seconds, it will do again. And we want to enable this so that this is ready to use. Okay, the timer, loop, enable. Okay, now we go to the block, we go to the timer. When timer fire. When timer fire means every 15 seconds, which is when the timer will fire. I'll show you again here. We have set the interval to every 15 seconds. So every 15 seconds, it will fire. Fire means it will trigger to do whatever we set. So in this case, every 15 seconds, it will scan for Bluetooth. So now we come back to the logic again. If you remember here, we do a logic. If this value is certain to same with exhibit 1, then you do something. Else, if it's same as quiz, you do something. Else, if it's same with exhibit, you do something. So we are going to do something similar for this. But this one, we want to use the device name. So, okay, we want to use this. We will use the same analogy. We will use if this device name, I'll just make only one. If device name contains, for example, we want to name our Bluetooth exit, entrance 1. So this means that when it scans for the Bluetooth, it detects a device named entrance 1. It will do whatever you want it to do here. So I will just take the thing that we already have here to play the video. So once it detects Bluetooth with entrance 1, it will play the video. Okay, I will probably do one more. If the list have entrance 2, it will show the image. Okay. 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 If it has the Bluetooth name is entrance 1, it will show the video. If the Bluetooth name is entrance 2, it will show the image. So we have set so that every 15 seconds, it will get the name of the Bluetooth. And if in the list there is one device that named entrance 1, it will do this one. It will play a video. If in the list of Bluetooth device it found entrance 2, then it will do the second one, which is play the image. Okay. Okay, but now you don't have any device named entrance 1 or entrance 2. Now we want to use this. If you can see on my face here, I have this device. We want to make this device name entrance 1 or entrance 2. I have shared with you a link, not a link, a PDF, slide on VAN on how to program this ESP32. So I will not share it here, it will take some time, but you can go there to see how you can set to program this ESP32. The one that I shared with you is using Blink, but the one that I will show here is much easier. You just have to, I'll just go briefly on what you need to do. You have to install ESP32 first. Using this link, you install ESP32 at the board manager. All this is available on the slide. You can check the slide later on. Then you want to install the board manager, and you want to show select ESP32. Then what you will do is this code here. I will share this on WhatsApp first because we have a student from Malaysia already in WhatsApp. So I'll share this first. Okay. Okay, you can see here that this is only a simple code. It will create a Bluetooth low energy device called SAM21BLE, but we want it to be entrance. So I will upload this to my device here. I'm now uploading this onto the device. Okay, it's now uploading. You can see here it's uploading now. Okay, it's done uploading now. Now we have a device that is called entrance 1. This device is now called entrance 1. If I check on my phone, you can see my phone. Oh, no longer here. Oh, no longer here. Okay, if everyone check my phone here, I will now, I'll just close this for now. And I'll go to Bluetooth. I pair new device. I should have entrance 1 here if all goes correctly. Okay, you see I have entrance 1 now. This is actually this device. It's now named entrance 1. Now let's go to the apps. You can see that we already make the apps to detect entrance 1. If you detect entrance 1, it will play the video. So let's go to the apps. Okay. Okay, now we go to the page. This page, I think, yes, this is the page. So I think I have to wait 15 seconds because it's waiting to check whether there is entrance 1 or not, or entrance 2. So I'm just waiting. Timer 1. Okay, it doesn't seem to be detecting now. Oh, okay. Oh, oh no. It goes back. Oh. Okay, entrance 1 is still here. Let me go back to the apps. I think there is some error just now. Timer. Fire. Database device name. Entrance 1. Okay. So there's some error here. Let me just double check my test apps.
Dr. Fauzan, can I
Yes.
ask a question?
Yes.
Like just now for the Arduino, right? I already paste my code inside the editor, and then how am I going to upload it to the Bluetooth device?
Yeah, you have to select here tools. You have to select the device first.
How am I going to do it?
And here tools. Then you
That part.
click on the board. Then select ESP32 dev module. Here ESP32 dev module. But you need to install the driver first. If you don't install the driver yet, then it will not show here. I think maybe Sasi or Junji have already installed when they joined the workshop last time. But I think if you haven't installed, then you will not see this thing. Only those who are installed can see this. ESP32 dev module. You can follow the instruction on the PDF I shared on band later to see this.
Then is it when I select, then it will prompt out and ask me to save a file, is it?
Yeah. When you upload, it will prompt you to save the file. Then you will upload straight to the ESP32.
Okay.
Okay. Hold on. Let me see. What am I doing here? Oh, I'm trying to use another apps that I have built before. Okay, let me just check this. Oh, this one. Yeah, I think this is the same, but maybe I'll just show you this apps instead of the other one. So I'll just use entrance 1 here. Then maybe I'll just do another entrance for entrance 2. I'll copy this on entrance 2. Then for entrance 2 will not do anything, so it's just empty. So we will not do anything for entrance 2. Let us try this app. This is a different app. It looks a bit different because it is a different app. I'm just testing the one that I have tried before to see if it works or not. So now we have opened this. I click this, scan QR. So let's wait 15 seconds and see if it play the video automatically. Okay, you can see it plays the video automatically. because it detects the Bluetooth is available here. Okay, so this is an example of using the Bluetooth device. So as you can see here, you can rename the Bluetooth device with any name that you want. Entrance 1, entrance 2, exit 1, exhibit 1. If you have 2 or 3 devices, then you can test. For those group who maybe needs 2 or 3 devices, please do let me know. I can arrange for the device to be sent to your house, so you can make this at your own house, and then you can share the video later on. Okay, I think that is all I want to share today. But let me just clarify a few things. The thing that I have shared with you today are, I think, basic stuff that you can use to complete the task that you are given. However, because we are now in COVID situation, we cannot meet each other. I'm not sure about the final session, but as of now, I think what we will do is you will develop these apps into a working apps. If you want to use the Bluetooth, you use the QR, some of you want to use the map, so you want to continue developing these apps, and you will submit just a video. I think a video is enough. You can communicate with your friends in your team, and then create the apps and just make a video of the apps. That is enough for the session, and we will later sell these apps during the final session later on. The final phase, we will sell these apps that you have made. And I think if possible, I want to invite the people from the museum again to see the online presentation of the student, so that they can see what the student have been working on, what is the output of the student interviewing them last time. So we'll try to arrange for somebody, if not from Kota Tua, we'll try from another museum to see if the solution that you try to propose is good for museum or not. Okay, anybody have any question regarding this technical stuff first before we go to the other stuff, like the cultural and also the other stuff? Let me check my chat. Okay, we have
Dr. Fauzan, can I ask a question?
Yes.
Yeah, so Dr. Fauzan, currently you already finished teaching us about the technical things, is it?
Correct.
I mean, tomorrow we will just for the cultural day only.
Yes.
So that means before the phase 3, we are going to complete the apps, right?
Yes. And make a video.
Make a video of prototyping.
Yeah, of the
okay.
prototype or the apps, yeah. Of the prototype, basically.
All right, okay, understand. Thank you, doctor.
Okay. If you have any question or if you have any technical things that you want to ask, you can always ask on Ben. I will try to help your team to solve the problem that you are facing. But we will give you a date of when we want to submit the video. I think for now you will have at least close to the phase 3 session. Close to phase 3 session, we will request for the video to be submitted. So you have to submit the video of the prototype and all the function of the prototype.
Yeah, and then the museum people at least can see the video first before.
Yes. Yeah, that's
and
good. That's good.
Probably we can asking our lecturers to join as well.
Yes, definitely.
From each country, yeah.
From each country, I think that's good. That's good. We can we will give you more information about that, I think, later on.
Presentation and so on.
Okay, I see no more question in the chat room. So I think I would like to discuss a little bit about tomorrow cultural event. So basically what you want to do is every country need to appoint one chef and one instructor. The chef will be cooking and the instructor will be teaching. But for example, Malaysian instructor will teach Thai student to make the dish. Thai student, only one will be cooking this dish, and he or she will bring this dish on the screen on the tomorrow at 4, right? Sorry, at 3, right? Yuli?
At 3, yeah.
At 3. So tomorrow we want 4 person from 4 different country to have 4 dish from a different country to share with the rest of us, but only you can eat the dish. That's very unfortunate, but only you can eat the dish, but we will discuss what is the problem that you are facing, how does it taste like, and things like that. We will discuss that during the ingredients, how difficult is it to find. We will discuss that tomorrow during the cultural event. I see that only Indonesian students have given the names, the 2 names that we need. The chef and also the instructor, the chef and instructor. So please, Thai student, Malay student, Nigerian student, please discuss within your group and just send 2 person to represent your country. You all have already the recipe. Please look at the recipe. If you found it quite difficult, then please let us know. We'll try to make sure it is within the limit that is given. So this means that tomorrow morning, you have to start cooking, or even tomorrow, or even tonight. If you want to cook tonight and keep it for tomorrow, that is also fine, but make sure it's still usable tomorrow. I am thinking of the Nigerian student, because tomorrow morning it will be so early for you. I know it's night time for you, 3 a.m. for you, so it will be difficult for you. Nigerian student will cook from Indonesia, if I'm not mistaken.
The Indonesian cook the Nigerian food.
Yeah.
And,
Nigerian cook the Thailand food. Yeah.
Thailand food. Yeah.
Thailand food is easy, right? Itulah. So Thailand food you can cook tomorrow. You can cook tomorrow.
About 30 minutes.
Yeah, maybe 30 minutes before the session you can start cooking. Then after that you just bring the cooking during the session at 3. So you can start cooking at 2:30 Jakarta time.
They can cook for 30 minutes, but the ingredients is difficult.
Yeah. The ingredient you have to find tonight or tomorrow morning. And for the ingredient, I think it's not so expensive. So you can buy first, then we will reimburse to you the money that you used for purchasing all these item. Give us your account number, then give us the receipt, then we will reimburse you the money you used for the cooking session. Tula or Yuli, you want to add anything else?
Just because I saw that the each group is not the complete one. So probably please fill out the attendance list, and then already get the overall the member groups who attend the session, because we are worried that if we cannot follow all the activities, because at the end you will do the presentation in front of different outside us. It can be from the museum, the lectures, and your friends. So we should do really well prepare for that occasion.
Yes.
Just that one.
Yes.
Tula, do you have any comments?
Only the comment is like what you mentioned, that I hope that students can get together. I know that it's really difficult to get everyone in the session together. Anyway, that's I really concerned the topic. It's a little bit complex at the moment, but I think it's doable.
Yeah.
If you can get together with the group, I think that's the important thing.
Yeah. I think also because it's recorded, they can always see this again later on during their own time. Maybe they can set a meeting together and watch this together, and they can work on it together. But I do hope all of the students can put your effort and be serious about this project, because we are doing a real project for the community, and we hope that we will get something beneficial out of this, and it will be beneficial for the community. Maybe the museum would like for you to continue to work on the project and make a real prototype for them later on, if that is possible. Okay, I think there is nothing else from me. Anyone wants to ask any question you are welcome to ask question. Where is my chat box? Okay, here my chat box.
Probably just take a picture. But please
Okay.
top up the video because most of them still a picture and the name. So
I already unshare, right? Okay, then.
okay, good.
Okay, everyone can please show your face. Everyone has a very tired face now. Very technical session.
Very engineering. Engineer. So everyone from not from the engineering background. So in the real world, you will work with different people with different backgrounds. So that's the challenge. Okay, ready? One, Nabila. Okay, probably. Okay, 1, 2. Wait, my computer.
Okay.
One more.
Okay.
Oh. Okay, one more. The second slide. I'm not sure the. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you very
And
much,
we
everyone.
will upload the video on the YouTube and then share the link to you as well.
Looking
Okay,
forward to see your cooking tomorrow.
Oh yeah, the cooking. Probably they will modify the ingredients a little bit.
Okay,
Okay,
looking
thank you
forward
so
to that.
much,
Thank you.
everyone. See you tomorrow and stay safe and healthy. And I just close the meeting. Thank you, Tula.